We are headed to Ben's because we need to make some progress on the Cressida. The X6 has been neglected for a while, but Ben might have picked up some paint to get it ready, fully ready to paint. Let's do it.
Sitting in the morning sun.
You about to paint?
Yeah. Pain.
Right.
Pain. But cut out the T.
Painful.
Pain.
Yeah. Alright, we've been masking this hoe bag. And sanding. Josh and Ben were sanding here earlier before I got here. But, how close would you say we are to laying down some painteroni? Huh?
Laying down some heat?
Yeah.
Maybe like an hour or two?
That's pretty good.
I think so.
So that's mucho exciting.
Yeah.
Kinda.
What do you mean?
There's a hole.
Look at these tape jobs. It's, pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad. It is what it is. Honestly, we're not going. This isn't a fucking show
I
car.
mean, look at it.
So we've decided the best way to get rid of this rust is to just paint over it.
That's right. Hey, you
Pretty good. So we'll see how that works out.
Okay.
Yeah, we should paint match the blast pipes or the side exit.
Tell the paint.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
And the wheels and the tires.
Just making a
just paint
camo car.
everything.
Car windows
That'd
and
be
everything.
sick.
No masking needed.
No, exactly. I'm
Get
deep.
the wind. Yeah.
We'll
that's
sand
a good
off
idea.
the stuff we don't want later.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we're gonna keep cracking away at this meth box, and we'll keep you updated if something else happens. But yeah, we made sure to wax and grease remover the whole car, so it's really clean before we paint it. But yeah, this is ready to spray after we cleaned it there.
I'll say.
What grit is that? 80, baby.
Have you never used 80?
Yeah, but for like, we're gonna...
This is for the Bondo.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's deleting the body. It's like
alright.
legit taking pieces off.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's almost there. Or,
It's getting there.
it's getting there.
Getting closer.
Yeah. It's almost sanded. We also don't have any wax and grease remover, so we're just going to paint over the dust that's on it. But there's barely any, so shouldn't be a big deal.
It creates more sparkle.
Yeah. Creates a little flake, a little texture.
To it, yeah.
Keeps things exciting, you know? Pipi un caca. That shit dusty as fuck, man.
We are taking off the bumper, right?
Yeah, go for it.
Is it bad?
No, it's just the one where it slides into, and then 2 on each quarter. Alright, the rest of it is pretty much as sanded as we're willing to do. We took off most of the dust with some wax and grease remover, so we're going to move it into this garage. Oh, where's the garage opener button? Oh, there it is. We're going to move it into this garage where it's going to be painted. We're going to move it into this garage where it's going to be painted, give it a final wax and grease remover, mask up the final windows and the windshield, and then Ben's going to lay down some paint. Yeah, we're doing it in this garage.
It stinks in here, man.
Inside the car?
Yeah, rat pee.
Still? That sucks, man.
Gross.
Alright, so
Wow, it's so nice in here.
it is so clean in here. So bright. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so I guess give it a final wax and grease remover.
Yeah.
Tape off the windshield. And I guess the wheels, our exhaust. Maybe the door handles a bit more.
Yeah. And then it's done.
It is. Something smells burnt in here.
Probably the car.
This thing's pretty much... Oh, why'd you just undo all our sanding? Oh, we didn't polish it before we painted it? Fuck!
Damn it!
Well, that's good. You've just been rubbing like lacquer clear coat on.
It's out.
Alright, well we're about to paint this garage green. Thoughts? Okay, we're doing a final wax and grease remover, or Ben is. Josh, come on. Get in there.
Come on.
Pass me one too. Is there more paper?
Yeah.
But yeah, and then we're pretty much ready to choose. We got the bumpers over here, so all this area in the garage can get painted too. Alright, we also just gotta mask this area off a little bit. Wow. What are your predictions? Yeah.
For how it's gonna go?
Yeah.
I don't know. It'll be fine.
Yeah.
It'll be as good as it's gonna be.
That's fair.
I'm not gonna paint my car a sparkly color, personally.
Hey. Sparkly is good.
Sparkly is good, but for an amateur painter.
I think the sparkles will hide imperfections more than like a straight up gloss color. Yeah, the pearl will hide stuff. Not that we have anything to hide on this car. As a pro painter, what's your gun of choice? Your weapon of choice?
I like to go with the Master Crab spray gun.
That's a clean unit.
Yeah. And if you spray like a little bit of paint thinner on the gauge by accident, you actually can't read it anymore.
Okay.
It's one of those fine techniques, but I'm just like I just know what all the numbers are just by feel.
Yeah, for sure.
Like I can audibly tell what the PSI is just by looking at
You've
it.
been doing it so long.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. You can say that.
Do we need to mix the paint?
Yeah.
Alright.
You also need a mask.
Yeah.
Bit too high.
A little too high? What's your favorite PSI?
28.
Okay.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. I can really see it there. Spraying at 40 right now.
Is that the color in there?
Yeah.
That's a big reveal, hey?
Yeah.
Alright, we're now with Ben the chemist here, who's gonna chemistry all this. Fork and dine! Anyway.
Fork and knives?
Yeah. It's actually a fucking deal, isn't it? Fork and dime for
shaker
28.
up.
Do you have a stir stick?
Yep.
Does it need to be shaken or just stirred?
Shaken, not stirred.
Is that close enough?
Yep.
Oh my god, that is illegal.
Oh, I was like, who are you talking about?
That's fucked up.
That's crazy, bro. Take that. Oh my lord.
I'm gonna go grab
The boys will try to